Recently, HMD announced half a dozen new Nokia phones along with the new naming conventions earlier this month. The new upcoming series of Nokia are C series, G series and X series phones. And the most awaited smartphone from the X series is the Nokia X50. The two key features of the Nokia X50 will be its Snapdragon 775 chipset and a 108MP main camera. The Snapdragon 775 model number SM7350 is yet to be released chipset from the Qualcomm, and it is expected to serve as a successor to the last year's popular 765G platform. As far as camera department of the Nokia X50, a new leak suggests a 5-module setup headlined by a 108MP shooter with the ZS optics and Ozo audio. The auxiliary shooters include a telephoto lens, ultra-wide module, macro and a depth sensor. The Nokia X50 is also expected to pack a 6.5-inch of Quad HD Plus panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, and the smartphone will come with a huge 6000 mAh of battery with a fast charging support. The launch date is not yet confirmed by Nokia, but it is expected that this smartphone will be launched in the Q3 of 2021. I hope you like the video and you like the Nokia X50 expected features also. Please hit the like button to share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.